Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and today we are going to be doing it's part of my makeup challenge. So before we get into that, if you are my Kandi babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out your girl. And if you are new, then welcome to this channel. I hope you will like what I decided to do today. As I stated before, this is for my makeup challenge, and the makeup challenge is follow a YouTube. I thought, why not go ahead and film it? And so in this case, I found one from Too Much Mouth, and she did this tutorial. This is her look, and I will make sure to post it here. I mean, I'm gonna play the video the same time I'm doing it so you can see how I'm recreating that look. She saw some YouTube videos where women of color said that they can't wear color, and so the point of her video was saying that, yeah, we can wear color, and I'm about to show you how much color we can actually wear. Which I totally love, because I'm all about color and embracing that color and just shining out in freaking color, if you guys haven't noticed my previous videos. So I'm gonna stop rambling on like I normally do, but before I go and show you the tutorial, if you haven't subscribed, you might as well go ahead and click on that, because I know you're pretty excited to see this look, and I'm hoping I get fellow followers from Too Much Mouth that they like it and they actually see it. If you are one of her fans, then please let me know, and that would be amazing to kind of get your guys' opinion on that. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get this started. Okay guys, let's just go ahead and get started. So like I said in the intro, I'm gonna pretty much have Too Much Mouth say what we're going to be doing, but then I'm gonna come in and tell you which product we're using and so forth. So first we need to prime our eyes, and I'm using just some concealer to go ahead and place it on my lid. So the first palette we're going to be using is from BH Cosmetics. This is their Take Me Back to Brazil.
So I'm going to take this green color and place that on the inner corner of my eye right here. And then I'm going to take this mint color and place that on the other eye in the same place, the inner corner.
From that same palette, I'm going to take the brightest blue and I'm going to put that in the same place on the opposite eye.
Now I'm going to take this blue color and put that next to the first.
Now we're going to go in with our NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and we're taking this purple shade and we're going to place that right next to the green.
And then this blue next to that mint color.
And with that same NYX palette, I'm going to take a nice darker shade teal here, and I'm going to place that right next to the brighter blue.
And now this pink shade on the other side.
Now going back to the BH Cosmetics, we're going to take the brightest purple shade here and place that next to that blue shade.
So I went ahead and cut my crease using the white Kat Von D.
Cutting the crease, we're going to be using the Jeffree Star lipstick, and this is in the shade Drug Lord
as my lid color.
We're going to go back into the NYX palette, and we're going to be using this brightest orange shade.
And then this orange, you already know.
Then going back to the BH Cosmetics palette, we're going to go in with this orange and place it on the other eye.
And now this purple shade.
Using the shimmery purple shade here, we're going to place that on the orange shade.
And now this purple color.
And then with this more bluish purple shade, we're going to put that next to the orange shade.
And I'm just going to add black to both sides on the end.
Now with the BH Cosmetics palette, we're going to go in that black.
My eyes, really the only thing I added was the yellow into my inner corner, and then I added liner to my crease.
We're going to add the yellow in the inner corner of the eye. And off camera, I went ahead and placed my lashes and my eyeliner on. I also did smoke out the bottom lash line. And now we're ready to rock and roll to the lips.
Now moving on to my lips. I'm gonna start out with this Anastasia.
The lipstick we're using is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. The lipstick that we're using is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is called Breakfast at Tiffany's.
And then I'm gonna take Friday from ColourPop and start doing some ombre.
And to give myself that ombre effect, we're going to be using, this is NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Oh Put It On.
And then a little bit of this purple.
And then the last shade we're using is from Kandi. This is called Susperia. Now to finalize the face, we're going to go in with the Milani. This is Glowing and from their Strobe Light collection. And I'm just going to place in my highlighting points. And that is literally the look, guys. Oh, I forgot. I totally added some silver lining in the cut crease, just like she did in the video. So those are pretty much all the eyes. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are, and let's get back to the video. Okay, guys. Well, this is the final look. How do you think I did? I'll put her photo here so you can see. But I think I did a pretty good darn job. And I love the fact that she embraced so many colors. Oh, wait, before I forget, I wanted to use a little bit of that highlight in the inner corner of my eye. Oh yeah, that's way better. Yeah, that looks better. But I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you liked it that much, you might as well go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And if you're my candy babes, tell me what you liked about this video. If you want to see more videos like this, or I'm just kind of going bam with some freaking color, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Yeah, guys, this is the end, and I will catch you at the next one. Peace.